What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some boxed mashed potatoes, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, boxed mashed potatoes, don't they pretty much tell you how to cook themselves? Well, they do, but here's the thing about it. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and mashed potatoes are kind of like a staple of Thanksgiving. It's kind of like football games and the Macy's parade with those old balloons. Mashed potatoes are something that you got to do if you want to have Thanksgiving. But the thing about it is, that box sometimes is a little bland, and somebody in there saying, "Oh, Black Owl, can't you just peel some potatoes and make some homemade potatoes?" Well, you know what I'm gonna say. I ain't got time for that shit. So, the box it is, but we're gonna doctor it up, just like we the doctor in the house. So, first thing you gotta do, you wanna make the boxed potatoes. Gotta go to the store and get the box of potatoes. You fighting everybody in there trying to get some shit. Had to push old Clark Griswold out of the way to get some. Man, get your box of mashed potatoes. Now, it's got these directions on the back. We ain't gonna pay attention to the damn directions. We're just gonna go our own way, kind of like old planes, trains, and automobiles when they was driving down that road. So, first thing I like to do, just get some milk and dump it in there and just measure with your heart, my friend, just like you would, like Grandma would on Thanksgiving of old. Now, go ahead and pour that in there, and I like to put just about a half a stick of butter, pretty good amount of butter in there, because that makes it good. So, put that in there too, and that's the thing, is I'm going to go ahead and melt this in the microwave. You should put it on the stove. Put it in the microwave about 6 minutes until it gets hot and bubbly. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, how much potatoes should I measure for all that amount I just put in there? Well, you just put in there and you put a little bit at a time and stir till you get the right consistency. And that's the thing, you can always add more, but you can't take the shit out. So put a little pinch in there at a time, my friend, just a little pinch, if you will. Now, we about ready to have some Big Bird, and I ain't talking about Big Bird that was in the parade earlier. I'm talking about the dinner. And so we want our potatoes, and we got to get them done. Now, we've got them pretty much made. You're saying, so like, what? Didn't do much doctoring. Well, that's what I'm going to do. Even the dog is saying, man, can't you put something else in there? So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our seasonings. Now, I want just a little bit of this garlic powder, maybe a little salt and pepper, and some parsley too. And you know what? We're going to get crazy and put just a little more damn butter in there. So, once we got all that done, I think we're ready for a damn Thanksgiving sight and a big old Thanksgiving bite of these Thanksgiving potatoes tonight or anytime you like. So, I'm having them now. You ain't getting nothing. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The mashed potatoes are done. And I'm having that first damn bite for myself, and that's the thing about it. Got a little bit of this canned brown gravy because, you know, in the theme of, I can imagine, and say a little, nobody's ever going to know. Just put it in a bowl and say, oh, it's my gravy, so they ain't going to know a damn thing about it. What you saying? Damn, that's good. Could have fooled me. Tastes like Thanksgiving of old. Like somebody's old ways when they was just mashing them potatoes homemade style. But it's my style. And it's delicious, so good. One more. Damn, that's good. The seasonings. It's all about the seasonings at Thanksgiving. And that parsley in there, watch out. Don't be taking a walk with your cousins smoking that parsley. Now, might make you a little more hungry. And the butter, man, the butter and the milk. I know the back of that box says water. We ain't even that shit. It's good that way. So, I want to thank you for joining me on another good episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all of my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a happy Thanksgiving. Have a safe one. Don't eat too damn much. I know I'm going to. So, we'll see you next time after that, and maybe a big old turkey nap. So, see you then. I'm good.